Thank you so much for joining me. Cook with me this delicious, quick, and cozy fish stew served with rice. I hope you enjoy watching. First, you want to choose any fish of your choice. I have my well cleaned hack fish for today. I'll season with some amount of salt, some amount of paprika powder, some bunion powder. I will go in with some green seasoning, adding some oil to lock all the seasoning in, and then I'll go in with some lemon juice. Generously marinate that. You can do this for hours before cooking or overnight. To bake your fish in any of these options, in an air fryer, in the oven, pan fry, or deep fry, whatever that works well for you. Now, I will bake mine in an air fryer. While we bake our fish, we will go ahead and prep for our stew. First, I have my pepper mixture here. This is what I call coziness. Very easy, quick, and cozy. So, of course, we will be using some tomato, but this mixture of pepper here will give you an amazing taste, amazing, delicious stew recipe. Now, I have some pointed bell peppers, red bell peppers. I have red onion. I have a very stubborn ginger that don't want to come along. I had a scotch bonnet pepper and garlic cloves. So add in some water and blend roughly. Okay, it has to be, it mustn't be that smooth, just like you see on the screen. Next, I will heat up some amount of sunflower oil. You can go for any oil of your choice. Before we continue, let me say a very big thank you for still watching. I truly appreciate you. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger, a practice professional chef. This is what I love to do. It is my hobby and everything food. If you love to see more amazing recipes like this, cook with me, or just a very simple, quick, and cozy recipes like this, then stick around, please. Subscribe to my channel, and also please do not forget to hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. Here is what my air fryer baked fish looks like. Super, super yummy. Now you saw me introduce my pepper mixture to my pot. I added some canned tomato. If you have fresh tomato, why not? Please go for that too. You shouldn't add too much tomato, okay? The pepper mixture should be more than the tomato you will make use of. This is to give you an amazing taste and a shorter time to cook. For my rice, I've gone ahead to cook on one side, just blanch and then wash out, add in salt, and continue to cook until it is soft and tender. Now for our stew, I added some dry fish. For stew like this, you need some dry fish. If you want to achieve what I achieved in on this day, please add in any smoked fish would do. So I added my smoked fish, allow it to release the flavor in that pot. So I used what we call kwanla fish, dried kwanla fish, or we call it also in my place in Nigeria, ejakika. If you know of that fish, you know what that fish can do. So there was no need of me adding any crayfish because that fish is, I don't know, it has power in flavor. So I didn't want it to be too fishy. So I added just that fish. That's just enough for me. Let it release all the flavor. And yeah, for your spinach, slice and blanch. Blanch by adding just some hot water. Let it sit to release all the excess water. Strain it out and then add to your stew. Before adding it to your stew, make sure the stew has totally reduced all liquid. We didn't add tomato paste. Tomato paste is also like a thickener, so take note of that. So if you want to add your spinach, you are almost good to go. So add in your spinach, add in the baked fish. What is this pot of stew without some egg? I added some egg, and guys, that is it. This is what we have. Looks super, super delicious. I bet this fish stew got you covered. I was craving for something on this day but couldn't lay my hands on words. I knew this is something that I could prep very fast. I don't have to cook meat or chicken and wait until it is soft and tender. Nope. This is just everything. It's just something you could dive in right away and make your meal in 20 to 25 minutes. You are ready. Nobody expected I was cooking all alone in the kitchen doing my thing, and it turned out very, very delicious. You can serve with any of your favorite side dish. Like this white rice was what I wanted on those day, and I bet you I was super satisfied. I hope you enjoyed watching with me. But to top it up with a nice fruity summer white wine. Toast guys to happy cooking. Come and dine with me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your opinion in the comment section and share with your loved ones. See you in my next one. Bye for now.